Good day and welcome to this session on Environmental Health Sciences in Public Health. I am Dr. Marzuki and I'll be guiding you through an introduction into the importance of environmental health sciences in public health. This session has three parts since it is important for you to first appreciate the value of environmental health before you can appreciate the importance of it in public health. You would then understand the human interaction with environment. You also then understand the environmental hazard and the principle of risk analysis. And finally, you would then be exposed to some specific diseases that are related to environment. Okay, let us begin by examining different meaning of environment. What is environment? Okay, environment is the external factor to the individual human host. It can be divided into physical, biological, social, cultural, and any or all of which that can influence health status in the population. Environmental health comprises those aspects of human health, including quality of life, that are determined by physical, biological, social, and psychosocial factors in the environment itself. And then it is also theory and practice of assessing, correcting, controlling, and preventing those factors in the environment that can potentially adversely affect the health of the present and our future generation. Okay, we can have different type of environment such as physical environment, biological, chemical, social, and occupational environment. The physical environment will include such factors as air, water, food, waste disposal, and shelter. The biological environment will include insects, animals, and other living things. And then the chemical environment will encompass chemical pollution and its effect on human health. The social environment includes the effect of his culture and his relationship with others and the effect of these on his health and well-being. And then the occupational environment is normally distinguished from general environment due to peculiar and specific aspect of exposure and method of control. The boundaries are generally delineated by perimeters of work areas or factory itself. Okay, this is the human health interaction with the environment. As you can see here, human health is interacted with scale and nature of human activities, biological, physical, and chemical environment. The upper box there showing the scale of nature of human activities includes agriculture, industrial, and energy production, the use and management of water and waste, urbanization, the distribution of income and assets within and between countries, the quality of health services, and the extent of protection of the living, working, and the natural environment. Biological environment involves type of distribution of pathogen and vectors as well as their habitats. And physical and chemical environment will include air, water, food, and soil chemical composition including radiation, climate including temperature, humidity, precipitation, and seasonal changes. Human health depends on society's capacity to manage the interaction between human activities and the physical, chemical, and biological environment. Okay, so that we can conclude the first part of this lecture, which is on the understanding the human interaction with the environment.